beautiful ranch walkout situated on a nearly 1-acre lot. This impeccably maintained home offers a spacious floor plan, quality finishes, and is truly move-in ready. The welcoming foyer opens to a bright and inviting living space highlighted by beautiful hardwood floors in front foyer and kitchen. The well-appointed kitchen is perfect for both everyday living and entertaining, overlooking the great room with cathedral ceilings and a gas fireplace. A formal dining room features custom wainscoting and a tray ceiling, creating an elegant setting for gatherings. The private primary suite offers a tray ceiling, double vanity, jacuzzi tub, remodeled tile shower, and 2 closets, including a walk-in closet with custom organizers. 2 additional bedrooms are connected by a convenient Jack and Jill bath. The finished walkout lower level provides exceptional additional living space, featuring a large recreation room, 2 additional bedrooms, a newly remodeled full bath with a beautiful tile shower, and abundant storage. The storage area offers excellent flexibility and could easily serve as a future second kitchen, complete with cabinetry, sink, refrigerator waterline, electric range hookup, and direct exhaust fan. Additional updates include a newer roof, furnace, water heater, well head, deck with awning, and professional landscaping, offering a wonderful combination.